Caramel toffee. Toffee is a timeless favorite that's perfect for snacking, gift-giving, or adding a touch of sweetness to your favorite desserts. Make this decadent toffee at home with just 2 basic ingredients. Let's make it. Bismillah. First, line a 4 inches baking sheet with parchment paper. Or use this type of silicone chocolate molds. On medium heat, in a medium heavy bottom skillet or pot. Add 1/4 cups of salted butter. Melt the butter and mix in between cooking. Don't let it burn. Once butter melts down, add 1/4 cups of sugar and 1 tablespoon of water. Cook on a medium to low heat and until the temperature reaches 290 to 300 Fahrenheit. Mix in between the cooking and set the candy thermometer. Always use wooden or metal skewer for mixing hot sugar. Otherwise, handling and cleaning will be difficult. Never step away from the sugar when it's cooking. It only takes a few seconds of neglect for sugar to burn. Once temperature reaches 290 to 300 Fahrenheit, turn off the heat and immediately pour the toffee mixture onto the prepared baking sheet or in silicone chocolate molds and allow it to cool and set. Must check the description below for more details. And if you have any questions about this recipe, ask in comments below. Once set, remove it from the molds. And if you like, you can dip in some melted chocolate. Note, you can always double or triple the recipe. Do not try to touch or taste the sugar while it's cooking, it will be extremely hot and sticky. If you don't have a thermometer, cook until mixture turns the color of a brown paper sack. Then drop a little of the molten syrup in cold water and it will form hard, brittle threads that break when bent. Means it's ready. Enjoy! If you like this recipe, kindly like, share, and subscribe for upcoming recipes. Thanks for watching.